guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a super short and sweet little Dior review on the Dior Capture Totale Le Serum. I'm going to be going over the price, where to buy, an unboxing, a try-on test, the pros and cons, and my overall final score of this product, and whether I would recommend it to you or not. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to start off with price and where to buy. So this serum in the regular size, I believe retails for about $150 Canadian. And I happen to have the mini size here. This is the 30 milliliter size. Now I actually got mine in a gift set, which I would highly recommend that you do so as well, because that way you get a cute little makeup bag and you get to try out all the other freebies. Well, I shouldn't say freebies, but like it's kind of like a value set. You pay a little bit less per item when you get it in a gift set. So I happen to get mine in this holiday gift set here. In this beautiful box, it says Christian Dior. And as you can see on the back, it just has all of the items that it comes with inside. And so it came with this Dior pouch. It also came with the Dior Lip Maximizer and the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. I actually have full-length reviews on both of these products on my channel already if you'd like to check them out. And of course, it also came with the serum itself. I got this set from Sephora, but you can also get this serum from, I believe, Shoppers and also the Dior Beauty website. So now I'm just going to show you some close-up shots of this product and trying it on. So now I'm just going to go over the pros and cons of this product. So the first pro I can think of, and this goes without saying when it comes to any Dior beauty products in my opinion, but of course it is the gorgeous timeless packaging. I absolutely fell in love with Dior's products, especially when it comes to their packaging. As long after you've used up the products, you can still use them as beautiful decor pieces on your vanity or in your bathroom, etc. I absolutely love the gorgeous whisper of a pink with the silver accents. It's just an absolutely luxurious and gorgeous packaging. Another pro, this might just be specific to the mini size, but it's great for travel. And I love that it comes off like a cap like this, and also the pump packaging is my favorite kind, as it's more hygienic than having to like scoop it out of a tub. I understand that a lot of people like that style of packaging too, because you can really get into the nooks and crannies of scraping off the rest of the product. But I don't know, personally, I just love how clean it is to just like pump it and then shut it like this. It doesn't leak or anything like that. There's no residue, so it just feels super clean, which is nice. Another pro is that I do find this stuff works really well. I've been using it for about maybe over 2 weeks now, and I'm loving how it makes my skin feel. My skin was unbelievably dry with a lot of like white patches on my nose and etc. because it is winter here in Canada where I live. It's actually the coldest time of year, January, February. After using this overnight, I mean, you're supposed to use it during the day as well, but I happened to just put it on like a night treatment, and yeah, it got rid of a lot of my dryness. And yeah, I just really like this stuff. I love the milky consistency. I love how the product feels on my skin. overall I'd say it works pretty well. And now on to the cons of this product. So I know I just went on and on about how cute the packaging is, and it is. However, at least when it comes to the mini size, I don't know if it's the same for the big size, but I find that when I'm pumping it out, it doesn't really pump out that much product. I really have to like pump it like 5 times for it to be enough product to cover my face. That's not a huge con, I guess, but yeah. And the biggest con I can think of, and this goes for all of Dior's skincare products, I feel like, but it's the smell. It has a very, very strong perfumey smell, and I personally am just not a fan of scented things in general, but especially really, really heavily perfumed things. And yeah, if I liked the smell, it might be a different story, but unfortunately I'm not a huge fan of the smell. Yeah, I have a bunch of other Capture Totale Dior products, and they all have that smell. It's that signature Capture Totale Dior smell. If you like the smell, then you'll love this. So this is, I guess, more of a subjective con. But yeah, I personally hate the smell. So it kind of deters me from using this more than I would have, to be honest. So I've only been using this for about 2 weeks now, so this is more of a initial review slash first impressions review. I'll have to use it for longer. Maybe when I've used it all up completely, I'll do an updated review. But so far, after using it for about 2 weeks, I would rate this product a solid 7.5 out of 10. So far, I'm really liking it, other than the smell and the price. And yeah, I think it does the job, and it's really pretty and cute. So that is it for this super short and sweet little review, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like if it was helpful to you. And also please consider subscribing to my channel, as I love to review all things Dior and pretty cute pink things in general. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye!